Hi, today I'm going to show you how to allocate transactions from your bank feed in your Sage 1 software. You will have money coming into your account and out of your account. And today what I will be showing you is for the money into your account, how to allocate that to a sales invoice that you've already entered, or to allocate directly to the relevant category where there's no sales invoice. The same on the purchases. I'm going to show you how to allocate a payment to a purchase invoice that you have already entered within your software. And I'm going to show you how to categorize the payment directly from the bank feed, as well as transferring funds between accounts. So into your Sage 1 dashboard, you want to navigate to banking. And today we're going to work on the current account. Here you can see the transactions that have been imported. So we're going to click on those in order to be able to allocate them accordingly. So you can see firstly, Sage has already identified that this payment relates to this sales invoice. I'm just going to click here just to show you what happens if it hasn't been able to identify, or perhaps a payment's paying multiple invoices. This shows you the list of all the outstanding sales invoices that potentially could be for. So we already know that it is this one. So we tick that, and then at the bottom we simply click match, and that will pop that transaction directly into your accounts now. So let's look at the other money in, which is for interest. So we're going to select here, we'll already have our bank created, our own bank. And what's it for? So if we start typing, it will bring you up with the categories. Now it's important here to understand the difference between your categories and what type of category you're selecting. So you can see here, for example, that interest brings up interest received, but also bank charges and interest, which is an expense. So we want the income. So we're going to select that one. If you're VAT registered, check that the VAT is per whatever you have in front of you, and then simply create. Again, that just pops the transaction directly into your software. So now we're going to look at the money coming out of the account. So this top one, I know that there is a purchase invoice entered for this. So I'm going to select match. This will show me the list of all the invoices that are outstanding that I can allocate this payment to. And I can see here at the bottom, it's Newtown. But say, for example, if you have many invoices, you can use the search function in order to be able to find the transaction more easily. So we just simply select that once we've identified it and match at the bottom. And similar to the monies in, when we're paying money out, we can allocate that directly to the category. So here, we're just going to type the supplier name, and if it's already entered, then this will come up. If not, we just create the new supplier. What's it for? And again, we need to understand exactly whether we're allocating to the correct type of category. So here we're going to allocate this to advertising. Now, when you're entering your transactions, you will have the invoice or the receipt in front of you. So if you're VAT registered, it's important that the VAT that you enter matches what you've got in front of you, or no VAT if you're not VAT registered. And then we're going to create that, and that will enter the transaction directly into your account. So here you can see that we have some cash, and we have a cash account set up. So here we're just simply going to transfer. We select transfer, and it asks which account we want to transfer to. So go to transfer that to cash, and then transfer. All done, all in the accounts. So at this stage, I'm going to suggest that you try to use the categories that are already actually within your software. However, in a different video, I will show you, should you need to, how you can create new categories. I hope this helps, but of course, if you need any help, any further help, or if you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.